Here in Jimbaran, what is really well known is for its grilling. So today, I'm gonna grill some squid. Very simple recipe. All it is basically squid, ginger, garlic, turmeric paste, a little bit of butter, and then also got some wonderful Sambal Kecap manis. Okay, first of all, let's cut the squid, and I'm just gonna score it nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Pop it into here. And I'm just scoring it so therefore it cooks faster and it doesn't become overcooked and too rubbery. And the great thing is that what I'm using here is cuttlefish, but what you can also use is squid. You can also use this recipe as well on fish or on prawns. It goes very well on pretty much anything, even chicken actually. So let's throw in a little bit of the sambal, give it a bit of a marinade, a bit of a mix. There we go. Brush, brush, brush. Then I'm going to add a little bit of oil in. Then I'm going to add a little bit of lemon as well in there. That's just going to freshen it up. Squeeze that in. Some salt. And I'm going to baste it with a little bit of the butter. So just literally plonk that straight on. And this is one of the easiest recipes. And you know, you can also do it at home, as I say. You can also bake it. Then I'm going to grab my fan and just slowly grill it. Again, what's important is that we get hot embers rather than just getting lots of smoke and also lots of flame, which then creates a bit of carbon monoxide on it. There we go, get it grilling. And then also you'll see that the squid will curl up as it's getting cooked. It's going to baste it also with a little bit of this butter, which is going to give it some nice flavor. And also the butter is going to drip down and get a little bit of smokiness in there from the arang or from the charcoal. Now what I've used here in the charcoal is actually kelapa, which is coconut chippings. And so they burn all the coconut and then what's left they use as charcoal. And it has a wonderful aroma and smell. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of water because again, as I say, I don't want to get too much flame on here. Give it a bit of a turn. Oh, look at those lovely char marks. Oh. Ah. And the flavor on there is fantastic. Look at that. Give that a flip. We're cooking without gas. Just going to put a little bit more butter on there, give it another baste. And when it's almost half cooked, this is the time that we get a little bit of the sambal and also put that on it as well. And that'll give a wonderful caramelization to it. In that Kecap manis, you've got shallots. They've been diced, you've got lime, you've got lots of chili in there, you've got a bit of lime juice, and also a little bit of soya sauce in there as well. And that's just going to caramelize the squid beautifully. What's really important as well when you're grilling squid is that you don't overcook it, because squid can be very easily overcooked and become rubbery. So I like to cook mine just a little bit under so it cooks through. And you can see when it's ready as it curls up. And I think we're nearly there. So I'm just going to take it off. Look at that. Perfecto. Oh, look at the grill marks on that. That is just ready to eat. Get the nice squid on here. And you know what? It's so beautiful on here that who needs a plate? Let's just eat off the chopping board. I think it looks stunning. Put that there. Take some nice lemon basil. Put that there. This is looking super fresh. And just as I would like to have it sitting on the beach. I reckon I can give these guys a good run for their money here on the beach. And then I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of my Sambal ketchup just over it. There we go. That's got the lime and the shallot in there. And here is my chumi chumi bakar Jimbaran style.